Come near. Let me look at you. Look at me. Aren't you afraid of a woman who has never seen the sun since you were born?
No, ma'am.
Do you know what I touch here?
Yes, ma'am.
What do I touch?
Your heart, ma'am.
Okay. I'm tired. I want diversion. And I'm done with men and women. Hey. I sometimes have sick fancies. And I have a sick fancy that I want to see some play. Dear. Play there. I want to see some play. Play.
No, ma'am. I am very sorry for you. I am very sorry. I can't play now. If you complain of me, I shall get into trouble with my sister. So I would do it if I could. But it's so new here and so strange.
So new to him. So old to me. So strange to him. So familiar to me. So familiar to me. Call Estella. Call Estella. You can do that. Call Estella. Call Estella at the door!
Estella? Estella?
Estella. Let me see you play cards with this boy.
With this boy. He's a common laboring boy.
Come on. Well, you can break his heart.
He has such rough hands. And look at those thick boots. He's just a stupid clumsy laboring boy. I'm not playing with him.
Okay? Come here, my boy. Come here. She says many hard things about you, but you say nothing of her. What do you think of her?
I think she's very proud.
Anything else?
I think she's very pretty.
Anything else?
I think she's very insulting.
Anything else?
I think I should like to go home and never see again. Though she's so pretty, I am not sure that I should not like to see again. But I should like to go home now.
You shall go soon. But come again after 6 days.
Yes, ma'am.
Stella. Take him downstairs and let him have something to eat.
Come with me. So you think I'm pretty?
Yes, I think you are very pretty.
Am I insulting?
Not so much now.
What do you think of me now?
I shall not tell you.
Come here. You may kiss me if you like. You are a common laboring boy. I shall see you after 6 days.
You made me cry.
I can make you cry whenever I want.
You are so cruel.
And you are so poor, so you deserve to cry. I have a Christmas gift for you.
I don't want any gift.
Why are you sad, babe?
I don't like her. She is very proud.
She who, babe?
Stella.
Oh, that rich girl Agnes Revishon's house.
Yes, that girl.
Is she pretty, babe?
Yes, pretty. She is very pretty.
Does she wear jewels?
Yes, she does.
Does she wear her hair loose?
Yes, pretty. She has beautiful hair.
Do you like her, babe?
I think I do. But she is very proud.
Is she your friend?
No, you're my friend.
But you said she is pretty.
Yes, that's true. No.
I won't be a